Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here. This here is the brand new Apple iPhone 16. The first iPhone built for Apple Intelligence, personal, private, and powerful. And with camera control, we get the perfect photo while barely lifting a finger. And the all-new chip that empowers the Apple Intelligence and us. A big boost in battery life, yes, of course. New ultra-wide camera, we take our photos further and closer. Let's start with Apple Intelligence and AI opening possibilities. The iPhone 16 is built for Apple Intelligence, the personal intelligence system that helps us write, express ourselves, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protections, it gives us a peace of mind that no one else can access our data, not even Apple. We explore the new tools that help us write, focus, and communicate. For example, the new writing tools that can proofread our text, and we've written different versions of it. We just hit a record in the notes or the phone app to capture audio recordings and transcripts. Apple Intelligence generates summaries of our transcripts, for example, or priority messages in mail. We create fun, original images that are truly personalized to us. The image playground apps. With a clean app, we can remove distracting backgrounds, objects, and so on. With an all-new superpower, Siri will be able to assist us like never before with the intelligence system. And richer language understanding, not sure how to do something on iPhone, like schedule a text message to send, with the expansive product knowledge of Siri can give us step-by-step instruction in a snap. And of course, great powers comes with great privacy. Apple Intelligence is designed to protect our privacy at every step. And we take total camera control. Touch, zoom, click, quick. Now we can take the perfect photo or video in record time. Camera control gives us an easy way to quickly access the camera tools. Simply slide your fingers to adjust the camera functions like exposure or depth of field. And toggle through each lens or use digital zoom to frame our shot just how we like it. We click to launch the camera app. We click again, instantly take a photo with the new button. In video mode, we can start recording, of course. A light press opens control like zoom. With a double click light press, okay, we can select another camera setting. Then we slide to adjust the settings. And this is possible with a new camera system. We go to the great lengths to get the perfect shots. The versatile new iPhone 16 camera system captures beautiful photos from up close or from far away. The 2-in-1 48 megapixel fusion camera lets us take stunning super high resolution images. Or we can zoom in with 2x optical quality telephoto. The ultra-wide camera shots extreme close-up macro photos or wider, more expensive pictures. All to get, it's like having our 4 lenses in our pocket. And with spatial capture, we can even take photos and videos in 3D, which we can watch with Apple Vision Pro. Ultra-wide camera focus on the little things and the bigger picture. The new ultra-wide camera with autofocus takes incredible sharp detailed macro photos and videos. We can also frame more expensive scenes without taking a step back. And because it has a large aperture and the bigger pixels, it can capture up to 2.6 times more light for high image quality, even in low lights. Spatial capture brings a whole new dimension to our photos and videos. With its realigned cameras, the iPhone 16 lets us take magical photos and videos in a whole new way, using spatial capture, so we can relive those moments in immersive 3D with Apple Vision. And the big thing is audio mix. This makes our voice heard. Powered by advanced intelligence and spatial audio capture, the audio mix lets us adjust the way voices sound in our videos using 3 different voice options. We want to decrease the background sound, or we just focus on the voice that are in frame? Simply select the mix and adjust intensity to get the sound we want after video capture. In frame, for example, only captures the voice of the people on the camera, even if people off camera are talking during the recording. Studio option. This making voices sounds like we are recording in a professional studio equipped with sound dampening walls. Great for vloggers or podcasters because the recording will sound like the mic is close to the subject's mouth, even if it's a few feet away. And cinematics captures all of the voices around us and consolidates them toward the front of the screen, just like sounds is formatted for the movie. And we choose our photographic style. We change it up, we change it back. Because the latest generation of photographic styles gives us a greater creative flexibility than ever before. So we can make every photo even more for us. And we can add, change, or remove a style anytime we want. And we lock in our look. They have created the new styles that let us dial in our exact desired look with more advanced skin tone rendering and set it across our photos. And thanks to the powerful A18 chip, we can see the change in the live previews before we apply it. And we align it with our aesthetics. We make the most of our megapixels. We can personalize every pixel nearly. And this is possible because of the A18 chip. That's IQ high. We meet the A18 custom build for Apple Intelligence and so much more. It jumps 2 generations ahead of the A16 Bionic chip in iPhone 15. And it powers the next level camera features like photographic styles and camera control, all with exceptional power efficiency to extend the battery life. Up to 60% faster, 6-core CPU, up to 2 times faster, 5-core GPU, and even longer battery life. We will need to recharge before it will. The iPhone 16 has been designed to make room for a larger battery, which works together with the A18 to deliver a big boost in battery life, even with so many new features, so we can game, bang, and rock and more. Snap on a new MagSafe charger for even faster wireless charging, up to 25 watt with a 30 watt powered adapter or higher. This enables up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes. Up to 27 hours video playback on iPhone 16 Plus. Up to 22 hours on video playback on the iPhone 16. Up to 5 more hours. Or up to 10 more hours with the Plus model. And durable design. Who says beauty isn't meant to last? The iPhone 16 has a sturdy aerospace-grade aluminum enclosure and strong and beautiful color-infused glass on the back. The latest generation ceramic shield material is 2 times touchier than any smartphone glass. And a new internal design dissipates heat more effectively. So we will get better performance overall, especially when it comes to gaming, baby. That means latest generation of ceramic shield, 2 times touchier than any smartphone glass. That's nice. And engineered from beautiful aerospace-grade aluminum, splash water and rust, dust resistant. Strange meets style, baby. The iPhone 16 comes in 5 vibrant colors from black up to ultramarine. And we have the action button. We do more, we wait less. The action button on the iPhone 16 is fast. Track our favorite features. We just press and hold to launch the action we want. The flashlight, a voice memo, silent mode, and more. We can also set up shortcuts to open an app, run a series of tasks, or change actions depending on the time of day or our location. Or we use it to take actions in an app, the settings an alarm, or even ordering our favorite coffee drink. And of course, it's possible with iOS 18. We customize, we stylize, and we mesmerize. We can personalize our home screen better. And if we have no signal, there's a satellite for that, of course. When we don't have cell phone service or Wi-Fi, the iPhone 16 can connect to a satellite so we can stay in touch or get the assistance we need. And messages via satellite are possible. We let us send and receive messages and tap backs when we are off the grid, right from the message app. Our phone will help us connect to a satellite so we can text over the iMessage or SMS. And roadside assistance via satellite. We can get our help for things like a flat tire or a dead car battery. The phone will connect to a roadside assistance provider, so we can dispatch help to our exact location even if we are off the grid. And the iPhone also has a vital safety feature that can help save lives. If we try to call 911 for urgent help, we don't have to cell service or Wi-Fi. We can use the iPhone to text emergency services over satellite. And we have crash detection. It uses the hardware sensor and advanced motion algorithm to detect a several car crash. Then call 911 and notify our emergency contact when we can't do that. Even we don't have a service. When we are within a range and make a 911 emergency call, the iPhone 16 gives us the option to start sharing a live feed with 911 Respond for quick and effective assistance. This is designed to make a difference. This is the iPhone 16.